In today's video, I'll show you how to add collaborators to a deal in Hubspot. Whether you're working with a small team or coordinating with multiple departments, adding collaborators to a deal can significantly improve communication, visibility, and overall efficiency. To begin, open your web browser and go to Hubspot. For this tutorial, we'll assume you're already logged into your account. Once you're inside Hubspot, look at the top navigation bar and click on the gear icon, which opens your account settings. This is where you can customize different parts of your Hubspot setup. After the settings page loads, focus on the left-hand sidebar. Scroll down until you find the Objects section. This area controls how different CRM objects behave in Hubspot. Click on Objects to expand the menu, then select Deals from the list. Deals are essential for tracking your sales process, and enabling collaboration makes it easier for multiple team members to work together on the same opportunity. Once you're on the Deals settings page, scroll through the available options until you find Allow users to add collaborators. Turn this setting on to enable collaboration for deals. After enabling this option, your Hubspot account will allow users to add team members directly to deals, making collaboration smoother and more effective. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to enable and use deal collaborators in Hubspot. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.